You're good there?
Yep.
Perfect. This is actually really good for me because naturally I want to work on the other side. And it's just making me be more ambidextrous.
Yeah. Glad I could help you adapt.
Yeah, hey, it's good. That way, anything ever happens, I learn to work from the other side too. It's one of those, in school we were always told, like, change up how you do things every now and then so that, if you injure a wrist or anything happens to go wrong, you aren't completely out of work.
Yeah.
Hold that up for me. Good, and then I'll switch you. Hold. Hold. Yeah, I could be happier, but it's not horrible. And then, so I'm going to get you facing over that way to start. I'll meet you over there. Beautiful. And then I'll get you the other way. Good. And then I'll get you back face down. You good there?
Yep.
And hold that up for me. Good. And hold. Perfect. Good. You get to relax there. Can you raise the right leg up as high in the air as it'll go? Perfect. Let that down. Try the left. Good. And deep breath in. Out. And a breath in. Actually, one more right there. Breath in. Yep. Over. Beautiful. I'm going to check in your hips here.
Yep.
Not unusual for you. Right hip is a little unhappy. You're okay with pressure though, eh?
Yeah. I went for a 10K run yesterday, so I don't know. And I was going hard, so I'd assume there's something a little unhappy in there.
There it goes. Actually, sort of like me though.
Yeah.
Now, how'd the run go otherwise?
It was probably the fastest run I've done at this weight, so it was good though. I don't know, I didn't feel shin splints. I felt my core and hips kind of give way though in the last 2 to 3K.
Okay.
I just felt tired holding that speed, so yeah. But otherwise it was fun.
Can you raise that right leg up for me? I'm going to try and push you down here. Good. Glutes are good. And then switch you. Hold. Yeah, I could be happier there actually. I'm going to hold you up here. Check for lymphatic drainage. Bring that up again. And hold. Good. You get to relax. That'll again. And then heavy leg day tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll make it work.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the gyms are like. Haven't been.
I've heard really good things actually. Both from the people working there and the people going.
Yeah, I called my buddy. I was just kind of wondering how to start off. I guess you go in with your mask, but then you take it off.
Kind of a restaurant thing, eh?
Yeah, once you pass the front desk or something.
A little offset still in there. You're okay with the pressure?
Yeah.
Perfect. There we go. Alright, and then I will get you on your back for me. Yeah, I mean, for better or worse, it doesn't sound like many of the time slots are filling up too much.
No.
So it's a relatively empty gym.
Okay.
Granted, like the post-work one, if I were to bet, would be the full one.
Yeah.
Try and kick up into a gear.
Ooh.
That could be better.
That quad, yeah. I went.
Oh, that's the one. All right. Are you able to kick up into me again? Yeah, much better. Okay, you get to relax. We're gonna work on tendons for the quad.
Great.
It's gonna suck a little bit probably. Try and breathe through it. Yeah, I know a couple people who go for like morning workouts in Good Life, and they were saying that there's 10, 15 people there.
Okay.
Now, maybe getting fuller as people get more either comfortable or anxious to get back to the gym, but yeah, it didn't sound like it was. What's capacity? 50? Didn't even sound like it was full to that
Oh, I don't even
capacity.
know. Yeah. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to even like count how many are typically there. Like
Oh, I have no idea. But apparently a lot less than. Well, there are a lot less now rather than.
You think that like Stittsville like 100 people, or is it even more? Garrett Road one?
I'm trying to think. I wouldn't know offhand, quite honestly. Can you kick up again there for me? Good.
Better. Yeah, that's that fastest we can get. Unless I just feel it.
Well, let's get specific. So I'm gonna turn you out. Can you kick up into me here? That's not too bad. Any pain, any issues there?
No.
Check my lateralis. Kick it. No, you're good there. I'm gonna bring you straight. And then hard as you can up into me. Gotcha. You get to relax. You're fine. That's one.
Yeah, it's gotta be from around.
Gonna try and find the point where it doesn't hurt anymore. It's just pressure. I'm assuming that's about there.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Good.
Would that be from the run? Because
Yeah.
I normally don't have that issue. Right?
No, normally not. You're pretty good there. This is usually from just like really pushing a muscle past
Yeah.
a lot of maximal contraction type work. And hard as you can up into me again. There we go. Good. Then I'll switch your legs. Kick up into me. Hard as you can into me. Interesting. Left leg kept up really well for whatever reason.
Hmm.
I'm gonna bring you up to the side. Hold that out for me. I'm gonna try and push in. Perfect. And hold that out. Good. Can you bring the knees up so the feet are flush? And then squeeze the knees together. Perfect. Actually, I get more upset with myself when I make a joke that I know I have to edit out, because I really don't like watching myself on camera. It's just kind of awkward,
Yeah.
and then it forces me. I've gotten used to it, but it's still weird. Oh, I didn't realize it was going to rain today. It's coming down pretty hard out there.
Is it? It looked like it was most of the day until, I don't know, maybe about 2 hours ago that we had sun. I'm in Barhaven.
Well, yeah, that's it. It's been pretty bright out today. Like, I did notice it was starting to get a little darker the past, you're right, probably hour or two, but. Well, at the very least, I'm grateful my phone hasn't been blown up about the thunderstorms or the tornadoes that are supposed to be coming, so.
Oh yeah, when's that?
Oh, I don't know. I just like past couple weeks I've been
Oh,
getting
yeah.
a lot of like get to the bunker type.
Yeah.
Perfect. That should be better there.
Nothing.
Oh, kind of quiet today. I guess it's loud every now and then.
Yeah.
You just kind of hope when it's mic'd up is the day it's extra loud.
Yes.
I guess it just means all in all the run didn't really beat the feet up quite as much as it beat the rest of you up.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't know when I start my run, they feel super tight, and I think it honestly is good for them to, I don't know if it's just my makeup or what, but I find my feet feel a lot more comfortable after I run, so
No, that's fair.
stretching out, I guess.
Yeah. Well, it may be worth even just like doing kind of like stomp on a lacrosse ball or something.
Yeah.
Roll them out that way just to help them out, especially the left one.
You find them
The
extra tight
the
there?
plantar fascia is pretty tight. Like the joints are moving well. It's just that the fascia's not happy with you.
I'll be honest, my mobilities are pretty bad lately. It's just, I let me know how that all is.
Yeah, that feels great.
I'm gonna just check in through the shoulders here. I'm gonna come around behind you. I'm gonna borrow the right arm, bring it back. I've seen better from you.
A little tight. Did chest 2 days ago, I guess.
So we'll adjust in through here.
Yeah.
That's better. And we'll check the other one. That was pretty good, actually. A little bit of shaft lightness. You okay if I borrow your head here?
Yeah.
There we go. Good. That should be happier.
Yeah, that was good.